Yo, what's good, guys? This is part 5 of eating clean and exercise before Thanksgiving cheat meal. Tap in. Yo, guys, so we had a little light bad work today. Then we got some goblin squat. We got a little bit of progress. My boy Benji blessed me with his smoothie, yogurt, frozen blueberry, coconut milk, and some almond butter. That was before the workout. Now we got some grass-fed steak, New York strip. I already knew I was gonna get down with this one. Perfect medium rare. Guys, it was so good. 2 sunny side egg. Follow your boy for part 6.